Now, your Fox First forecast. Your weather, your time.
Welcome back here on this Tuesday evening. During the commercial break, the National Weather Service issued a new severe thunderstorm warning. This is for southeastern Grant, southwestern Haskell, northwestern Seward, and northern Stevens County until 10 o'clock tonight. We have one small cluster of thunderstorm activity that continues to cause some problems tonight. Then we have another thunderstorm in the northwest corner of Hodgman County. This activity will track for you here. The rest of the state is dry tonight, so let's focus on the activity causing the warnings tonight. Again, this is a new severe thunderstorm warning. The storm just to the west of Sublette has been hanging around the area for the last couple of hours, and at times it has produced some golf ball size hail. Now, the last report we had was some nickel size hail just to the west of Sublette, but it still looks like this storm could be producing at least some quarter size hail. And as we told you at the top of the broadcast tonight, the storm has just been meandering around the area tonight. Currently looks like it's still moving to the west southwest at around 10 miles per hour. So heads up in those areas, especially just to the west of Sublette, down toward the Moscow area. We'll keep an eye on this thunderstorm activity. Now, another thunderstorm that does not have a warning associated with it is this storm here in the northwest corner of Hodgman County and the southwest corner of Ness County, kind of sandwiched in between Ness City and Jetmore right now. This thunderstorm has flared up in about the last 45 minutes, but no warning in effect, although there could be some nickel-size hail in the northwest corner of Hodgman County this evening. Let's take a look at what we have on the satellite radar tonight, because this morning we had some isolated showers tracking through central Kansas, and it seemed like it took forever to finally get rid of the clouds here in central and eastern Kansas. But as the clouds finally moved away, the afternoon sunshine helped us warm up into the 90s around most of the state. Now, there are two organized areas of thunderstorms tonight, one in northern Missouri. That's tracking off to the southeast. Another more organized area of thunderstorm activity down in Texas, and it likewise moving to the south and east. So if everything goes as planned, we should escape any widespread thunderstorm activity here in Kansas tonight. Really, the storms flaring in southwest Kansas are feeding on afternoon warmth, and now that the sun has finally gone down, we're hopeful that these storms will start to weaken as the night wears on. Future track headlines for tomorrow: plenty of sunshine, a bit more wind tomorrow, and the summertime warmth is going to continue across Kansas. Widespread 90s tomorrow, and out in the west, temperatures getting close to 100 degrees. And this is just the start of what could be a 3-day warming trend that takes us all the way toward Friday. Our normal high temperature around 90 degrees for this time of the year, but by Friday, we're going to be well above average with temperatures climbing into the mid, even some upper 90s around most of the state. Future track for tonight: those evening thunderstorms in the southwest should be fading in the next couple of hours. Then for tomorrow, mostly dry. Quite a bit of sunshine around the area. We're looking at some warm temperatures. The wind will start to pick up in parts of western Kansas, and this green out here in western Kansas, likely to be some cloud moisture, but nothing else. Then as we work our way into Thursday, still a bit on the breezy side. It's definitely going to be hot on Thursday, and there could be one or two thunderstorms in far western Kansas Thursday afternoon. Outside on Capitol Federal Skycam this evening, we find mostly clear skies here in Wichita. 83 degrees at 9 o'clock this evening, 64 on the dew point, 52% for the relative humidity. South wind at 10, the pressure is rising. Elsewhere across the state tonight, we're looking at 83 in Salina, 80 in Hutchinson, 82 degrees in Hayes, but Garden City checking in with a cooler temperature of 76. Your forecast overnight tonight: those evening storms in the southwest fading. The rest of the state dry tonight with partly cloudy skies in the east. Mostly clear in the west, lows in the 50s, 60s, but 70 degrees expected here in Wichita. 93 in Salina tomorrow, 93 in Wichita, 94 in Hutch, but out in western Kansas getting very close to the century mark. 98 in Dodge City, 98 in Garden City. 7-day forecast slowly warming up through Thursday, mostly sunny with 94. Slight chance for a few storms on Friday with our next cold front coming in, but ahead of the front, 95. 90 on Saturday, Sunday, 92. We should be dry and hot into the first part of next week. Stick around. We'll have your sports coming up after this.